So hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. As we are going for a Olympiad problem. So the question is given x square plus y square plus xy equal to 133. X plus y plus xy root xy is equal to 90 now. We are going to do this problem in two models. So the second one will be easier. So as we are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. So here, how to solve this problem. So here given x square plus y square plus xy. So here this can be written as two factors. So here x plus y plus root xy, x plus y minus root xy. So here a plus b, a minus b. So you'll get a square minus b square. So just I am writing so here x plus y whole square minus root xy whole square. So this can be written as x square plus y square plus 2xy minus xy. You will get x square plus y square plus xy. So you are getting the same value. So you are taking as two factors. These two as factors and you are going to solve this. So this value is given 133. X square y square plus xy is 133. Now this value is given 19. X plus y plus root xy is equal to 19. So x plus y minus root xy, we have to find the value. X plus y minus root xy is equal to 133 by 19. It will go 7 times. Now adding these two factors, x plus y plus root xy plus x plus y minus root xy. So adding this to 19 plus 7. So here x plus y cancel. So 2 of x plus y is equal to 26. X plus y is equal to 13. So here x plus y value 13. If you substitute okay, if you substitute this in one or if you substitute this in second one, so what is here? X plus y plus root xy is equal to 19. This is the second equation. Here we are having second equation. So here 13 plus root xy is equal to 19. Root xy is equal to 6. Xy is equal to 36. Now by using Vista's formula and x comma y as roots, so here a square minus 13a plus 36 equal to 0. So this can be written as a square minus 9a minus 4a plus 36 equal to 0. A into a minus 9 minus 4 into a minus 9 equal to 0. A minus 9 into a minus 4 equal to 0. A is equal to 9 or 4. Therefore, x value is 9, y value is 4. If x value is 4, y value is 9. Therefore, the order pairs x comma y is equal to 9 comma 4, 4 comma 9. This is first model. Now, if you go to second model, this model is somewhat easy. So here let m is equal to x plus y. N square is equal to xy. Then squaring on both sides, x square plus y square. Here are doing squaring on both sides. Plus 2xy is equal to m square. Now here we want the first one, x square plus y square plus xy. So this will get by using m square minus n square. M square minus n square, this value is 133. M square minus n square is equal to 133. Now this can be written as the second equation, m plus n is equal to 90 now. This is the first equation and this is the second equation in terms of mn. So this can be written as m plus n into m minus n equal to 133. So here 19 into m minus n is equal to 133. M minus 1 equal to 133 by 19, you are getting 7. Now solving this to m minus n equal to 7. 2m is equal to 26, m is equal to 13. So x plus y is equal to 13. Now from here you will get n value 6. M value 13, n value 6. N square means xy. Xy is equal to 36. That implies y is equal to 36 by x. Now replace this in first equation. Replace in 1. So what is 1 here? Sorry, second one. X plus y. X plus y is equal to 13. Let us take it as 1. So x plus 36 by x is equal to 13. You will get a quadratic here. X square minus 13x plus 36 equal to 0. So here you have to write the factors x square minus 9x minus 4x plus 36 equal to 0. X minus 9 into x minus 4 equal to 0. So here you will get x is equal to 9 or 4. Then y will be 4 or 9. So therefore the factor, the root sum x and y values 9 comma 4, 4 comma 9. I hope you understood the problem. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.